In this video, we'll show you how to connect your Tradier to SensaMarket. From the SensaMarket, click on Brokers in the top. You'll land on the Brokers page where SensaMarket lists its official brokerage partners. Before connecting, make sure you already have an active Tradier account. If you don't have one yet, you can open an account directly from this by clicking Open Account under the Tradier card. Once your Tradier account is ready, click Connect. This opens the Tradier login page. Enter your Tradier username and password, then click Sign In. Next, you'll see an Access Request screen. This is Tradier asking your permission to link with SensaMarket. It covers things like placing trades on your behalf. Click Approve Access to continue. Once approved, SensaMarket will automatically detect all your Tradier accounts. You'll see them listed, including margin, cash, and paper accounts. At the bottom, set your default trading account. This is the account SensaMarket will use when you place orders. Select the one you want from the drop-down. Then click Start Trading. Your broker is now connected. You'll see your account details, orders, positions, top performance, where you can see top gainer and loser, and also asset allocation and position allocation. That's it. You're ready to trade directly from SensaMarket.